Hi everyone, it's me, Jennifer, from Froggy Winter Knitting, and I got a surprise Happy Mail. Now, it came from Julianne at Frizzy. I was super surprised to get this. I had no idea that I was going to receive this, so wanted to share it with you guys. It's super cool, super amazing. Now, it's really tiny, but it's still cool. So, I want to show you the card up close and personal. She drew that. She's an illustrator and an author, but she drew that. And if that isn't absolutely adorable, I love that. That is so cute. And of course, it's my typical hoppy yarning. And there's a little fly on the mug of either cocoa or coffee. It's super cute. I love that. And she wrote me a personal note in the card. But the card is really pretty. Look at that. That's real pretty. I love the plants. Look at that. That's gorgeous. She wrote so much. It's in there. It's all over the back. I love that. That is so cute. But I opened this. I met up with her and I opened it. But I want to show you this sticker. Isn't that cute? That's cute. So I wrapped it back up in the tissue paper because it would remind me that I needed to film it. If I didn't wrap it in the tissue paper, I'd never remember. So it literally came just like this. This is so stinking cute. Now, her son told her that she needed to send me this. And I agree. She needed to send me that. I love this. I will use this. I love it. It is adorable. And it opens by the eyes. That is so stinking cute. I would love 100 of these. These are adorable. I would use them to hold stitch markers, the change in my purse. I mean, I love these. This is perfect for notions and stuff. I actually have scissors that would fit in this. But there is a thing in here. And I am in love with this. This is so adorable. I can't even begin. So I am in love with this. So she made this for me. And I am totally in love with him. Look at that frog. And yeah, he's made out of embroidery floss with a obviously a steel needle, and he is dressed up like a bee. Let me see if I can do that better. Maybe the camera will focus now. There we go. Look at them stitches. Them teeny tiny stitches. Oh my gosh. He is so adorable. Look at his little leg and his little toes. His little fingers. He is so cute. And his little eyes, and he's got a mouth. And I'm going to show you the back. Because, you know, he is a bee. I'm going to show you the back, and then I will take off his costume and show him to you. So, this is the back. And he has a stinger. And wings. I mean, those wings. That's how I was holding him a minute ago. His wings. He's got wings. Come on, camera. He's got wings. And his antennae. And his little stinger. He's got a little stinger. So, this is so cute. This frog in a costume. Which, of course, it comes off. It comes off. And this is so stinking cute. I'm going to show you his costume, and then I'll show him to you. But the fact that she made this removable blows my mind. But yes, this bee costume, see the little armholes? They're on both sides. But yeah, that is so stinking cute. How could you not love this? There's the other armhole. But it's a bee. He had to have a stinger. She made a stinger for the bee. A stinger. Oh my gosh. That's cool. And then Mr. Frog. I got to straighten out his legs. Oh my gosh. It's a naked frog. This little frog. I know if you guys are bored, I'm sorry. But there's Mr. Frog. Sans costume. But look at him. He is so stinking adorable. I mean, you can see, look at the stitches. But look, he's even got dots on his back. Isn't that cute? He is so adorable. I'm trying to turn him back around. And he's got beads in the lower part of him, so he will sit on a shelf. He'll be a shelf setter. So he is adorable. Absolutely adorable. I can't thank Julianne enough for my frog. So the way we dress him is we put his arms in first. So you guys can see. I got to put his arms in first. But, I mean, he is so adorable. He's just so tiny and so really cute. And you guys know I love all things frog. But the fact that he's dressed up like a bee is just, oh my gosh. I love, love, love him. And I am one of her Patreons, so I'm part of her inner hive. So the frog dressed up like a bee makes perfect sense to me. I absolutely love this. I'm putting her channel in the description box below. So if you guys could give her a subscribe, I'd appreciate that. Oh, I just dropped him. It's embarrassing. But if you guys could give her a subscribe, I'd really appreciate that. And Julian, thank you so much for my little frog. I love him. And tell your son thank you. I love my change purse. I love that. So thank you so much. And thank you guys for watching. Stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, like I like to say, happy yarning. Bye now. Bye now.